Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your Nothing Phone 4a. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and remove screen protector or a case. If your screen protector is not applied properly on the screen, but is going off to the edges or the sides of the phone, then it already needs to be replaced. Now, for the case, if it's going off to the bezels, so the dark part between the screen and the side of the phone, then if it's covering those bezels, it's going over them and it's touching the screen, then you simply won't be able to use your screen as it's supposed to be used. So what you guys want to do is get a microfiber cloth and clean your screen. After cleaning your screen, making sure that it's shiny and that there's nothing on it like fingerprints or moisture, you go over and restart the phone. So you can hold the power button until you see this menu and keep on holding it until the phone goes into the forced restart mode. So keep on holding it until you see your screen go black, and now keep on holding until you see the logo. Now you can let go, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the restart, let's quickly enter the password, and now what you guys want to do is go over and as a last resort, update your software. So we're gonna go over into the settings. Now here in the settings, we're gonna scroll a bit down until we see the About Phone section. Tap on NothingOS and tap right here. Now, as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version because you don't want any old glitches running around on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.